Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of ASPEN AEROGELS INC. Now this stock has already corrected, as you can see, 88% or 87.55% from the top, which you can consider as a very big correction that has already been happened. And now when the overall trend is up, there is no denial that this looks completely interesting as well as lucrative. So let's just analyze the chart of ASPEN AEROGELS INC. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now just look at this trend before doing anything else, and let's just understand the important levels in between which the stock has been trading right now. So what do we have here? We have, we are your immediate support of 9.13, and you have your stop loss at 6.94, because this was your previous resistance. Now your previous resistance will turn into the biggest support, so one must not go below 6.94 or $6.9 on the downside, and any uptrend will only start once the stock started trading above 11.12 or $11.2. Now this is a range in between which the stock has been trading. On the downside you have 7, on the upside you have 11, and the stock is trading in between these particular levels. So the stock must surpass either of the side, either on the upside or on the downside, to make the trend much more visible, much more understandable. Okay, so for any upside we must have to wait for the stock to surpass 11.2. Once it done that, or once it does that, we have couple of levels to look at. So beyond 11.2, the next couple of targets will be, and what gives me comfort is the kind of correction that the stock has seen. I mean, 87% in the last couple of months is quite an achievement on the downside, because stocks are falling like a pack of cards. If it it looks like the business is going to die down tomorrow, but this is how things work when somebody tightens the money supply. So here we are, or at least thinking about the tightening of money supply. So here we are. If the stock, or once the stock started moving above 11.2 and sustaining above that, the next couple of targets will start with 17, then 27.9, you have 39.65, and the big target of $67 on the upside. But if you are looking at the long term chart, you will see something like this. It is very hard to say whether this is the last resort or this will be the last resort. Okay, but what we do know is the upper end of the range, or the swing that we are going to see if or once the stock started moving higher. So I have already told you till 67, but if it moves beyond $67, the big target that we're gonna look at moving forward will be in between $150 and $350 on the upside, as far as the long term trend is concerned. So this is the big swing that we are looking at as far as the long term trend. There may be some downside, but as I told you, you need not to bother about the downside if it falls below 6.9, and you need not to bother about the upside either, because if you want to play safe, then look at this stock. Once it started moving and trading above 11.1, and more specifically above 11.2, and then you can go with the upper end of the range. Okay, you need not to do right now anything. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.